Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
December 13 is here, and today's clue is when I paint my masterwork. So let's have a look at the calendar. So what do we see? I have already had a look, and I've zoomed in on that area. Do you see it? Yeah. So basically there's someone there sketching, and you have guitars and lots of artsy stuff. Do you think it could be it? Let's have a look. No, it's not. You did not see that. I'm gonna pause now. So, I've given this a couple of more seconds of thought, and what do we have? We have this one over here. So, there's someone painting. Yeah, one would think that this would be obvious, but as I said, this is a hard calendar. It's very technical. And today, December 13 is correct. So what do we have? We have Mikkeller, so it's a Danish beer. Well, Sally's Selection, I would assume that this is. While I open this, I have to mention that December 13 is in Sweden what we call Lucia. So for some reason we celebrate a Spanish saint, or is it Italian saint? Italian saint, I believe, on this day. Well, cheers to her. Not bad at all. So, assuming that this is Danish beer again, we already had a pretty meh beer from Denmark, but they stepped it up a notch.